Goose Spit kayaking with Aaron around the point, or the spit you call it. Hello!
Hey.
Comox Glacier. This is around Goose Spit. You have to sort of guess where the button is and just keep pushing. There's the glacier, there's Aaron, and the boat. So that's an adventure camp thing they do with the kids. So that's where they climb off.
Great.
Yeah. They stay here long term.
Hopefully they're not.
Another derelict boat. Gonna leak oil into the bay. Yeah, it's been there a long time. Lots of barnacles. Too bad they can't trace the owner and give him a $20,000 penalty.